Hello, namaste everyone. It's me Sanjay Lamtamang. Today we are going to talk about homemade taco seasoning. It's a very flavorful, easy to make at your home, and you can follow the instruction, ingredients, and enjoy with your family, friends at your home or workplace. Uh, a flavorful and easy homemade taco seasoning recipe, way better than store bought, and you can adjust the spicy level to your taste. Homemade taco seasoning recipe ingredients: 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika. Use smoked paprika for a deeper flavor. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon dried oregano, half teaspoon crusted chili red pepper flakes, optional for the heat. Half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon ground cumin, optional. Add citrusy dip. Instruction: mix all the ingredients in a bowl, store in an airtight container for up to 6 months. Use 2 to 3 tablespoons per pound of ground beef, chicken, or veggies. Pro tips: for a low sodium version, reduce or omit the salt. Want to spicier? Add more red pepper flakes or cayenne. For a richer flavor, toss the mix in a dry pan for 1 to 2 minutes before the using. Thank you very much everyone for the watching my recipe. Please always do visit my profile and find the new recipes and upcoming new updates are there. So please follow the instruction. If you like it recipe, follow the instruction and enjoy it with your family, friends at your home or workplace. uh, Stay healthy, stay safe. See you next time. Thank you very much. Love you all.